We are studying now our topic congruence of triangles. In this topic, last time we have studied the congruence criteria of the triangles. For the congruency of the two triangles, if six parts of the one triangle are equal to corresponding six parts of the another triangle, then both the triangles are equal. But we know that it is not necessary that all the six parts or of one triangle are equal to the corresponding six parts of the another triangle. Only specific three parts of one triangle are equal to corresponding three parts of the another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. And these conditions are known as the criteria of the congruency of the two triangles. Last time we have studied about the Sas congruent criteria. That is, if two sides of one triangle are equal to corresponding to, if two sides of one triangle, two sides and their included angle of one triangle are equal to corresponding two sides and their included angle of the two triangle, then both the triangles are congruent according to Sas congruent criteria. Also, we have studied one more criteria, that is known as Sas criteria. Yes criteria means side criteria. This criteria states that if three sides of one triangle are equal to corresponding three sides of the another triangle, then both the triangles are congruent to each other according to Yes congruent criteria. Now we are going to study our next criteria, that is ASA criteria. ASA means angle, side, angle, or ASA means the two angles and their included side of one triangle are equal to corresponding two angles and their included side of the another triangle, then both the triangles are congruent according to ASA criteria. So here we will write ASA, that is angle, side, angle congruent criteria. This criteria states that under the given correspondence, if two angles and their included side of one triangle are equal to corresponding two angles and their included side of the another triangle, then both the triangles are congruent. So here, for example, we will see these two triangles in which ABC triangle, in a triangle ABC, angle A is 40 degree, angle B is 60 degree. Means measurement of these two angles are given and the side included by these two angles only. The side included by these two angles is AB and its length is also given. In the second triangle, that is in a triangle DEF, angle E is 60 degree, angle EF is 40 degree, and the sides included by these two angles is given 3.5 centimeter. That is EF is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Here it is seen that angle A in the first triangle and angle EF in the second triangle having same measure. Similarly, angle B in the first triangle and angle E in the second triangle having same measure. So they are equal in measure. And the side included by these two angles in both the triangles having length, that is AB equal to EF is equal to 3.5 centimeter. And therefore we can apply here ASA criteria so that these triangles must be congruent to each other. So here in a triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A equal to angle EF. These two angles are equal because their measure is 40 degree each. Then AB equal to EF means these two sides AB and EF having length 3.5 centimeters, so they are also equal. Similarly, angle B and angle E of both the triangles are equal, having measure 60 degree each. Means it is seen that the two angles of one triangle and their included side are equal to corresponding two angles and their included side of the another triangle, and therefore triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF according to ASA criteria. So we have seen the criteria ASA, and now we have to solve one example which is related to this criteria. Now example, in the figure, can you use ASA congruent rule? Can you use ASA congruent rule and conclude that triangle AOC congruent triangle BOD? If we observe the figure, then it is seen that triangle, here two line segments AB and CD, they are intersecting each other at O. They are intersecting each other at O. And the measurement of the angle, AOC is 30 degree. Then automatically measurement of an angle BOD is also 30 degree. Why it is 30 degree? Both the angles are equal. Angle AOC and angle BOD, both the angles are equal because they are vertically opposite angle. Last time or in the topic lines and angle, we have learned about the vertically opposite angles. Means when the two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles form, they are always equal in measure. So if angle AOC is 30 degree, then angle BOD is also 30 degree. But here it is not given, though we know the two angles means 30 and 70 degree, here also 30 and 70 degree, but the side included by these two angles, we don't know the length of that side, means OC as well as OD, we don't know. We must know, means the side AC and side BD is given, and side AC and BD is the side included by angle A and angle C. Here side BD is included by angle D and angle B, but we know the measure of angle A as well as angle B, so we have to find out the measure of angle B and angle D. Here if we observe the triangle AOB, it is seen that the measurement of two angles we know. Then to find the third angle, we must apply the angle sum property of a triangle. What is angle sum property of a triangle? Angle sum property of a triangle is that the sum of all the angles or sum of all the three angles of the triangle is always 180 degree. Means angle A plus angle C plus angle O. But we can't denote this angle by only one letter because O is angle AOC is also O and angle BOD is also O. and we must know the specific angle. So we have to denote this angle by 3 letters, that is angle AOC. So here angle A plus angle C plus angle AOC, that is equal to 180 degree. So we will start. Here also we can apply, in the second triangle we can apply the angle sum property of a triangle to find the third angle. So let us see how to solve this question step by step. So write down here, AB and CD intersect each other at O. AB and CD intersect each other at O, and therefore angle AOC equal to angle BOD, angle AOC equal to angle BOD. This is equation number 1. Because reason is vertically opposite angles. But we know that angle AOC is 30 degree, and therefore angle BOD is also 30 degree. So this is also 30 degree. Now we have to consider triangle AOC. In a triangle AOC, by angle sum property of a triangle, by angle sum property of a triangle, angle A plus angle C plus angle AOC is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle C is 70 degree. Angle AOC is 30 degree, and that is equal to 180 degree. Here 70 plus 30, that is equal to 100, and therefore angle A plus angle A plus 100 is equal to 180 degree, and therefore angle A is equal to 180 minus 100, that is angle A is equal to 80 degree. Angle A is equal to 80 degree. But we are asked to find whether the two angles are congruent or not. So here we have find all the measures, all the three angles, means measure of all the three angles. Now we have to find the third angle of the second triangle, that is angle B. So in a triangle BOD, by angle sum property of a triangle, angle B plus angle D plus angle BOD is equal to again 180 degree. Angle B plus angle D is 70, angle BOD is 30, so 70 plus 30, that is 100. So angle B is equal to 100, angle B plus 100 is equal to 180 degree, and therefore angle B is equal to 180 minus 100, that is angle B is equal to 80 degree. Angle B is equal to 80 degree. So from equation 1, so here we can write angle A equal to angle B is equal to 80 degree. Now in a triangle we have to prove that whether the two triangles are congruent according to ASA criteria. So here in a triangle AOC and a triangle BOD, angle A equal to angle B. Here angle A equal to angle B according to equation number 2. Reason equation 2. Then AC is 3 and BD is also 3. So AC is equal to BD, it is given. This information is given in the question. Then angle C is equal to angle D. Angle C is equal to angle D. Both the angles are 70 degree. It is also given. So reason is given. And from this we can say that the two angles of one triangle and their included side are equal to two angles and their included side of the another triangle, and therefore angle AOC congruent triangle BOD, and the reason is ASA congruent criteria. So do you understand how to apply the congruence criteria or ASA congruence criteria to solve the examples? Means if the situation is not feasible for the congruency of the two triangles, then we have to find so that it will be, so that the two triangles will be congruent. Now we will solve one more example, that is, write down example. In the figure, ray AZ bisect angle DAB and angle DCB. And now we will start question. That is, first question is, state the three pairs of equal parts in triangle BAC and triangle DAC. State the three pairs of equal parts in triangle BAC and triangle DAC. Second question is that, is a triangle BAC congruent triangle DAC? Question mark. Give reasons. Means if the two triangles are congruent, why they are congruent, we have to give the proper reason. Then third question is AB equal to AD? Question mark. Justify your answer. Means we have to give the proper reason again. And fourth question is that, is a CD equal to CB? Give reasons. Give reasons. Now if we observe the figure, that line AZ is the bisector of angle DAB. It is bisector of angle DAB. We know the definition of bisector. The line segment which divides the angle into two equal angles. That segment is known as the angle bisector. So here AZ is the bisector of angle DAB, so that we get two angles DAC and BAC. These two angles are equal and we have denoted by equal marks, that they are equal. Similarly, AZ is the bisector of angle DCB. It is also bisector, so that we get BCA and DCA. These are two angles which are equal in measure. Again, these two equal angles are denoted or represented by the same marks, equal marks. So here we have to mention while writing the answer. So we will start writing answer. Write down, ray AZ is a bisector of angle DAB, and therefore angle BAC and angle DAC are equal, and that is equation number 1. Also, write down, also AZ is the bisector of angle DCB, and therefore we will get two equal angles, that is angle BCA equal to angle DCA, angle BCA equal to angle DCA. Write the equation number 2. And now we will start our first question. Means here we have to, our question is that, state the three pairs of equal parts. Means we have to state or represent the three pairs of equal parts. So here in a triangle BAC and a triangle DAC, in a triangle BAC and triangle DAC, we will get angle BAC equal to angle DAC from equation number 1. From equation number 1. Then we know that AC is the common side of these two triangles. Means AC is the side of ABC, as well as AC is the side of triangle ADC. So AC is the common side. So here we have mentioned AC is equal to AC, and the reason is common side. Now here we know that the second pair of angle, that is angle BCA equal to angle DCA. So these two angles are equal. We can write the reason from equation 2. And now if we observe the figure, then it is seen that the two angles of one triangle and their included side, two angles and their included side of one triangle are equal to corresponding two angles and their included side of the another triangle. So here triangle BAC, congruent triangle DAC according to ASA congruent criteria, and we know that if the two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles are equal as well as corresponding sides are also equal. Here AB and AD, so AB equal to AD. Reason is CPCT, or here we can say that corresponding parts or corresponding sides of congruent triangles. And fourth, CB equal to CD, that is CB equal to CD. Again, these two sides are corresponding sides of the congruent triangles. So CB is equal to CD, and that is CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles.